Still wasting hours dragging text boxes and resizing slides just to build a half decent presentation? What if I told you there's a free tool that lets you create stunning, pitch ready slides in minutes powered by AI? Welcome to AI Gentic Bros. In this video, I'll show you how to use Gamma AI to build a killer presentation 10 times faster than you could before, even if you've never designed a deck in your life. If you want to learn how to make money with AI using tools like this, check out our free AI starter kit, link in description, or visit aigenticbros.com. We've all been there. Deadlines looming, there's blank slides and zero creative energy. You open PowerPoint or Google Slides and you just simply stare at the screen. Gamma AI flips that entire process on its head. Instead of building a deck from scratch, you just type your idea and it builds the framework for you. The best part, it's absolutely free. No credit card, no trial, just create an account and start building. Gamma runs on a credit system. Each time you use AI to generate something, it uses up a few credits, but don't worry, they give you a generous amount to start with, and you can earn more just by sharing or referring your friends. All right, let me walk you through exactly what Gamma can do. Feature 1, AI powered slide generation. Just type your topic and intent. Gamma gives you a full outline. You can regenerate, refine, or expand any section with AI, and that includes images. Feature 2, layout and design options. Choose between different visual themes: clean, modern, bold, or corporate. System auto formats everything for mobile, desktop, and presentations. You can even create mini websites based off of your slides. All right, so let's hop right into creating slides or a presentation with Gamma AI. Now, you first go ahead and click Create New with AI. You go ahead and click that button, and you have three options that pop up. First, you can paste in text, so you can create from notes or an outline or existing content. Then you can also generate from a one-line prompt in a few seconds. That's kind of where the real power comes into play. And then you can import a file or a URL. You can enhance existing docs, presentations, or web pages, right? And you can see some of my more recent prompts. Again, I've actually mostly used paste in text, but to show the full power of Gemini, we're going to go ahead and do the generate from a one-line prompt in a few seconds. Basically, my flow that I use for the paste in text, just to kind of touch on that briefly, I'll go ahead into ChatGPT. I'll either have a series on LinkedIn that I'm trying to push or a carousel post I want to make. So I'll go ahead and prompt ChatGPT something along the lines of, help me create a LinkedIn post. Give me an outline slide by slide, for example, vibe marketing, or a vibe coding carousel I want to put out on LinkedIn. I'll then put some more details. I'll go ahead and get that outline from ChatGPT, throw that into paste and text, and then kind of work with what Gamma gives me off of that. There's a lot of customization, as mentioned before. So let's hop right in. Let's start with generate and kind of go through the process of creating a presentation. Okay, let's see. So we went ahead and clicked generate with the one-line prompt. It tells you here, describe what you'd like to make. And they'll have some example prompts here. Okay. 8 cards, so you can kind of specify the card amount. Obviously, there's going to be limits with the free account, so you can only go up to 10 cards. Really, 10 cards is more than enough, unless you're having like a really long business presentation. Then you'll kind of need some more cards there. Kind of look at the fit for the slides: traditional, tall. Let's go ahead with default, and then you can go ahead and pick the language. Obviously, we're going to go with English, right? And then you can go ahead and look at these other options. We've already mentioned web page. You can go ahead and do PDFs or documents. And then social is something that they were experimenting before. So this is what I would use for my previous example for LinkedIn carousels. I would use the portrait version for socials. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's stick with socials just to kind of get a better overview for actually the using this in a marketing aspect. Okay, so we're at 5 cards. Let's go 5 tips for prompting Chat GPT. And then let's go ahead and do 6 cards just to kind of give leeway for like an intro card or something along the lines of that. So 6 cards, portrait. We're doing it so it's optimized for socials. Let's go ahead and generate the outline. Yeah, let's see, 5 essential tips for prompting ChatGPT. Practical strategies to get better AI responses based on OpenAI's best practices from May 2025 improves response quality by up to 60%. So this is where the aspect of kind of going over and reviewing exactly what the AI is giving you. If I was going to put this into production, I wouldn't keep the improves response quality by up to 60%. You have to have backing for your statistics, but for the sake of the video, we're just going to go ahead with that. Tip one: be clear and specific. Tip two: assign a role to ChatGPT. Tip three: use iterative refinement. Tip four: structure your prompts. Tip five: provide examples. Um, Okay, some pretty basic prompt engineering advice. Let's go ahead and scroll down. Here we go. We can go ahead and customize our theme here. So let's view more. Okay, cool. So dark, light, professional, colorful. Interesting. Okay, let's pick something a little lighter. Select theme and content. Adjust text and image styles for your gamma. So image source AI images. There are a few different image sources you could pick from. Uh, Stock photos, web images, AI images is which is what we're going to use. Again, that's going to use credits, but we're trying to showcase the full potential of this tool. Animated GIFs, image placeholders. Don't add images. If you kind of have your own stuff that you want to upload separately. Image style, you can go ahead and describe the image style you want, and then the AI image model, it uses Flux, which I found is really good. Um, in the past when I've used it, but it looks like they've expanded the models that they allow you to use. But let's go ahead and stick with Flux for now. I think everything should be good to go to generate. Yeah, this looks good. Um, uh, let's keep the images vibrant and upbeat. Kind of want it to pop when people see it on their screen. Just kind of stop the scroll. Then we can go ahead and look at advanced mode. Take a look at that. Cool. Amount of text per card. So you can a few concise paragraphs, multiple detailed paragraphs. So how in depth you want it to go. Text content. Obviously, it's generate. If you were using the paste in text option, you would use condense or preserve because you'd already have, for example, going back to my ChatGPT example, with the outline I'd create with it, I'd either want it condensed or to preserve what ChatGPT had already written. So it'd just kind of keep that on the slides. But again, we're going with the generate because there's nothing to go off of. And then you can go kind of write for creatives, tone, conversational. Again, this is in the advanced settings. Images, we've already went over that. Format, we've already went over that. 5 tips for prompting ChatGPT. Cool. Editing cards, you can kind of drag the order of the cards, switch them around, and then you'll see here continue. It'll use 40 gamma credits. So let's go ahead and hit continue. We'll go ahead and hit generate, and let's see what it comes up with. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and look over Master ChatGPT with 5 essential prompting tips. Unlock up to 60% better AI responses with these expert strategies. Keep scrolling to transform your AI interactions. So it's targeted towards socials. We can already see the language kind of targeted there. Be clear and specific. Include precise details. Use concrete examples. Reduce follow-ups by 40%. You can see the different icons it use here, the images. So it kind of has a specific layout. Assign a role to ChatGPT. I really like the icons that it's used. I like the images that it's come up with, bright, vibrant, except for this last one here. I'd probably make some changes to that. So you can go ahead, you can edit the theme. You can look at car templates. You can look at the smart layouts. You can add your own blocks. You can add your own images. Say like, oh, for example, we don't like this image here, right? It's very plain. We go ahead to images, AI images, and we can kind of go into the prompt. We can pick the style we want. We can mess around with the prompt. We can generate. Obviously, generating again, is going to cost some credits if you want to regenerate the AI images, but there's so much customization in Gamma. So basically, I mean, barring a few tweaks and a few kind of updates to the actual information in the slides, we've generated um, a fully functional or a production ready LinkedIn carousel, Instagram carousel, a post in like 5 minutes if we didn't go over all the different features of it. This is a really, really powerful tool. If you want to ditch clunky slides and build smarter, go try Gamma AI. It's 100% free. And if you want to learn how to make money using tools or using AI tools just like this, check out our free AI starter kit. Link is in the description, or visit aigenticbros.com. We go over the basics of AI, kind of pull back the curtains a bit. We go over some best practices with prompt engineering, and then we go into using tools like this, creating custom GPTs, using Manus AI, just kind of streamlining the process to market for local businesses, to kind of up your marketing game in general. If you've enjoyed this video today, please like, comment, subscribe, go check out Gamma AI. The link is in the description, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.